Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels, to the second episode of the review of FLYHAL E69 mini camera drone. This little drone did pretty good indoors, but I wanted to test it outdoors. Today is not the best day, it's January 2nd, 2022, just the beginning of the new year. Although it's not raining, it's really misty and wet. And we have a 7 mile per hour wind. I don't know how this little guy is going to do, but I'm going to try it out anyway. It's difficult to get any good day to fly these little things outdoors. So let's see if it's going to be able to take it. Okay, everything is set for the little guy. I don't know how it's going to do. I'm just a little worried about this phone holder. It has been sliding lately. So I need to make sure to hold everything correctly. Okay, let's start the video because I want to have a lot of footage, although the lighting is not that good. Okay, the video starts recording, and maybe you should arrange the camera. No, let's leave it at this angle, whatever it is, and let's do a calibration again. Calibrate it. Let's get started, and I'm going to set it to 100% because it is breezy. As you can see, it's flying away and then full left, and I'm trying to bring it back. Let's see if I can do a little bit of a forward flying. Come, wow. It is flying away. The wind is taking it, kind of. I am just following it to bring it back. And this is full back towards the wind and still moving forward. Let me get it a little down in the altitude because it's flying away right now. So I need to land it. Okay, I landed it because it could not overcome the wind, and I think it has been too much for it. Of course, it is not happy because it kind of like did a sideways crash landing. So let's make sure that everything is straight. But I'm going to continue recording the video just so you can see what the quality is. And maybe try it again. The wind is stronger than I expected. And it's showing at 7, but when it goes up a little bit, you know, the wind speed increases. So let's this time take off this orientation. And again, let's do a calibration. Just want to make sure that everything is right. And let's take off again. All right, here we go. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of pushing it forward towards the wind. And let me get it down. It's full forward and it's still kind of coming towards me and towards the back. And from time to time, the wind speed decreases a little bit, and then it can just go slightly forward. But right now, it's full forward. And if I decreased the speed, let's use the speed button. So this is, oh no, actually this is flying better now. Maybe the app didn't maybe register. Okay, so probably when the app is not on, I was wrong. I was still at 30%. Sorry about that. So now it's at 100%. It's flying pretty good, and it's coming. It can come back if I can rotate it. It's turning. I'm trying to bring it towards me and land it again. It just the battery went too low. Start blinking, and it could not overcome the wind anymore. So now it's blinking because of the battery light. Anyway, let me stop the video. Long press should stop, but didn't. I'm going to use the app instead. Okay, the video should have stopped now, and let's take a couple pictures, although they're going to look like really bad, but let's take a picture over here like this. So it made the sound. And the lighting is really bad right now. It is close to 4:30 p.m. and it's already getting dark. One of me. Alright folks, well, this is definitely not an outdoor flyer when it's windy outside, and but still, for learning on a good day or indoors, it is pretty good. I like it for what I paid. It kind of makes sense to buy something like this for learning, for practicing. Again, it's a mini drone, it's really small, so it doesn't have much juice to be able to overcome any wind that's 5 miles per hour or over right now. It's good to have 2 batteries because the batteries don't last very long. Probably this was like 5-6 minutes on a full charge. So, you know, if you can get the 2 or 3 battery version, get that one. Other than that, it is what it is. It is good. It's crashed into the wall, no damage at all. I like the transmitter. Everything was labeled, as you have seen. The video and photos, I don't think they are HD quality, 1080 quality. Probably it's just recording at a much lower quality and upgrading it electronically just to increase the number of pixels. That's what I think. But what do you expect? It's like a $25 drone. Alright, I decided to do one more short flight with the second battery. Let's start the video. And then I'm going to increase the speed immediately to 100%. 3 beeps, calibrate it, and then arm and fly. Because the previous flight was way too short. And I'm just going to try to keep it close by. Just to fly by and come back. I'm not sure how well the video is right now, but I think I didn't charge this battery fully, so it's already showing me low battery alarm. And then the wind keeps changing, picking up and changing. As you can see. Alright, I think it's time to land, this time hopefully without crash landing it. I'm going to do manual landing. Let's see if I'll be able to make it. On top of the helipad, it's very breezy, as you can tell. Alright, I just missed it. But overall, it is pretty good. I mean, at 100% was able to handle the breeze with a lot of thumb action. Alright folks, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Take care, bye bye.